Alrighty, so welcome back everyone. We're going to start deeper into our JavaScript. And so start with today we're actually gonna continue my Komodo edit 11, which is you can find all the file on my dev.me GitHub repository. Alright, so let's go ahead and start it. So first question is, where do I put JavaScript? They must know where do I put it in order to put JavaScript into it and hopefully gonna do some application with it. So there's two ways I can do that. I'm gonna introduce one way to you right now. Find the body tag inside of your HTML document. Then you're gonna type script. For your older browser, you may need to specify type equal text equal to quote text slash JavaScript and end quote. But for your 6 and modern browser, you just type script and they're gonna say, okay, it's JavaScript. And so this is what I want to build for our first program in JavaScript. So I want to make it an alert. What does alert mean? Well, when you when you fill out a form, alright, when you fill out a form and when you try to refresh that page, it may send you an alert say, are you sure you want to refresh this page? Or when you're gonna close a tab but you didn't save that tab yet, like the content on that tab, like like I don't know, maybe Google Docs, but it's also maybe Microsoft Word. We didn't do that. We didn't save it. It may be gonna show alert say, hey, are you sure you're gonna exit? You didn't even save it yet. So that's what we'll do, and it's really simple. In JavaScript, we'll just type alert and this definition of alert, and they're gonna say hello world semicolon. Alright, and you can do it using single quote if you want. If you don't even have to add semicolon, though it's showing me error. But yeah, so let me save it. And indeed, it's running hello world. Awesome. Alright, so this is how to create an alert. But recall that the alert may be not that simple. You maybe need to say, are you sure you want to close it? Maybe you're gonna say yes and no. So we're gonna add one more button or one more property. So let me copy and let's go to JavaScript. I'm gonna say confirm the HTML. Now I'm gonna do this. So I'm going to create a button first. Button, and on click. This is just a function saying, hey, if this button get clicked, do something with it. I'm gonna say run clicked. Gonna say click to see what happened. Alright, and then I'm gonna use some more complex stuff. So I'm gonna create a condition here. Don't be worried if you never heard a condition before. I'm gonna go over all the code that I'm typing later when we're actually doing condition. I'm gonna say else. Alright, so what did I just done? So I'm gonna just provide a simple explanation. So, actually, I forget this. Let me do this. Function click. Don't indent everything. Alright. So, what I did is inside of this, I create a clicked function. So it's saying if this button clicked, run this JavaScript function called clicked. The parenthesis is just taking like the argument, which I'm gonna go over later along with the tutorial, and the text will display and button. So this is my actual JavaScript tag. I use a function click. I'm gonna explain all of them later. I just want to show how confirm work. So basically, it's me if confirm press a button equal to true, or like if it's a confirm, then I'm gonna use console.log, recall console.log to open your JavaScript console. It will have some text print out there. In this case, it's you press DS, otherwise say you press cancel. So since I'm not sure, can Komodo edit 11 can do that? Say select wait, let me save it first. And then I'm gonna say in the Komodo tab, let's try that, preview it. So let me drag it to the top. So click to see what happened. Press a button, cancel or OK. I'm gonna say OK. And apparently I can't do that. So I'm gonna use my Chrome. So there's a button here. I'm gonna click it. Press a button. So I'm gonna press OK. And I'm gonna use shortcut command option J. And indeed, it said you pressed yes. Or if I want to try press cancel and command option J and you pressed cancel. Alright, so this is cool. We're actually if you want to take the value of it, you actually don't have to put triple equal true. You can just say this. It will do exactly the same thing, but just for demonstration purpose, I'm gonna put this. So it's a Boolean value. Alright? So, but there's one more kind of alert box where you actually type your information inside of that alert. So, how can we do that? Well, this is going to be actually a little bit complicated also. So let's do this. Let's do this. Create a new file. Let me delete all of the function. And I don't need you. So let's say JavaScript. Gonna be prompt. The HTML, save it. Alright, here is what we'll do. I'm gonna create a variable var. I'm gonna say name equal to prompt. Please enter your name here. Or if you want to do a type holder, like placeholder, saying you can also add, let's say, enter your name here. Alright, but I don't need that. I don't need a placeholder for now. It keep giving me error because Commodore 11 is like a little not so smart, which is me it must like it want me to use it said if you say alert message say name is defined but never used. So it wanted me to use name. So I'm gonna say console.log and do hello. I'm gonna say hello and let's add the person. Let's add the name. No. Hello, name. So this is a simple program where it will gonna store the user's answer of what his name is. They're gonna store in a variable called name, and in console.log I'm gonna print hello plus name, which is the user's name. Let's save it. Copy the full path. Let's do this. So please enter my name here. I'm gonna enter dev is me, and indeed it said hello dev is me. Or if you want to do more, just to double check, you can say hello, now hello, but there will be an issue where it said if I enter nothing, it's just gonna say hello. Or if I enter Or if I click cancel, it's gonna say hello no. Recall that from the intro last video. We know no. It's just like it does really have a value in it. So we will need to handle them eventually. But yeah, I'm just gonna telling you what is 3 type of alert that JavaScript support. So this is 3 type of alert, which is always going to be available on DevIsMe GitHub repository for free. If you want to go there and check that out, it will be totally fine. Alright. So, now we're going to learn some more on beyond create just create alert. Here's what we'll do instead. We're gonna do some DOM document object things. I'm not gonna really dig deeper into that, but we'll start using this. I'm gonna start to create next video gonna be intro to DOM, which is just gonna be JavaScript syntax, DOM syntax. So I'm gonna say this as hello world. Hello world. HTML. So here's what I'm gonna type. I'm gonna say document.write. I'm gonna say create a semicolon at the end. Okay, let me type some stuff in. Let's say what I'm gonna type. I'm gonna say this is second sentence. After first sentence, I'm gonna create a paragraph to make it a paragraph. Alright, so here, what is alert? I don't know. Alright, so that's how you use document.write. You basically put the sentence that you want right in here. I cannot read that warning. So I'm just gonna keep typing. So I'm gonna create new paragraph. Let's say this is first sentence before second sentence. And this is last sentence after second sentence. So if I save it, and I'm gonna view in Komodo tab, preview it, And ideally, yep, that's exactly what I want. Oh, this is nicer. So, that's exactly what I want. So I have a first sentence, but this is before second sentence. This is second sentence after the first sentence. And this is last sentence after the second sentence. Alright? Yeah. That's pretty straightforward. Because document.write just create a new paragraph, new sentence. And since it's inside paragraph, it just create a new paragraph. Cool. Alright. So, and actually, we can also add HTML script inside of it. Alright, so this is my HTML script at h1, which is saved, as you can see now. It's rendered as a header 1, which is h1 text. Can be a form of evil. I don't care. Let's just say just to use EM to show that it supports everything, and yeah, it italicizes it. Great. So this is our hello world script. Actually, it's not hello world, but well, I just name it randomly. All right. So, throughout these tutorials, we are going to use an online free textbook called JavaScript: A Beginner Guide. The link will be in the description, and you are more than welcome to read the book on your own. And I'm also gonna do some exercise with you in this book. So we're gonna do try this one. So let me minimize this tab. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna create an HTML. So insert a script into an HTML document. Let me clear up these up. So let's see. I'm gonna create a new file. So setup, and I want to name it as pr2_1.html. So let me just create a simple web page. So layout first, HTML/HTML, and body/body. Alright, let's save this to JavaScript tutorial video 2. This is gonna name as pr2_1.html. Alright, so here is what we are going to do step by step. First, set up an HTML document so that you have a simple file with nothing between body and body tag yet. Alright. Next, put the following line of the text into a paragraph. Recall we use the P for paragraph, and I'm just gonna basically Command C and Command V, which is shortcut for copy and paste. And after P tag, insert a script that will type following line on the page. So that is exactly what we did a while ago, just a moment ago. So you want to use a script. So let's say document.write following sentence, good, and ignore the error. After the P tag, add a P tag. So I'm gonna create a new P tag, and the following type the following line and make it emphasize using EM and EM. Oh, okay, there's a spoiler there. Okay. I'm not gonna use the spoiler. So I'm gonna say let's say I am also part of the HTML document after the script results. Alright, and indeed, this is what our code looks like. If we save it and Command tab, preview it, and indeed, that's how it should looks like. Alright, so this is a short project. So now we're gonna learn second way to embed your JavaScript code, which I recall from CSS. You can just use an external file, same as JavaScript. So let me create a new file. This going to, so here's what I'm gonna type. I'm gonna say doc type HTML /HTML head body and body. Save it into here, JavaScript. This time I'm gonna create an alert using JavaScript. So I'm gonna say alert underscore js.html, and I'm gonna also create a JavaScript. Just gonna say this. So I'm gonna create a JavaScript. So let's name it as a first name, same name as, and as extension, it's gonna be JS as the end. Alright, so I'm gonna want to link this, and I'm pretty sure they're in the same web page, so I can just do this script source equal to alert JS, and we're gonna say alert hello world, this is JavaScript calling using external file. Alright, add a semicolon at the end. Let's save out the file. So it should be run. Is that working? Let's see if we add a slash. Alright, okay, so let's do this. Yeah, exactly. This is a hello world. This is JavaScript calling using external file. Alright, then there you go. So, I'm gonna try this 2-2 if you want on your own. And here is one more thing. Recall that if I type really complicated JavaScript web page, for example, let me just open a Google. Let me just also show me but it also gonna show me all the elements. And now, as you can see, it's really a lot of stuff, especially we have like so many style and so many, like you also have script, you also have script source. So that's where the comments comes in. So recall that what comment mean is this can let all the users, all the developer understand your code better. It's for human convention. So there's two ways to make comments in JavaScript. First is 2/. This is single line comment, or you can use this. This is, multi-line comment. Alright, that's how you make comment in JavaScript. So There you go. Start to create your first JavaScript and your first JavaScript program. I'm gonna see you next time.